I want to talk for a moment about movable and toggleable lights. If we open up the actor class's browser and jump into the different types of lights we have access to, you'll notice that underneath point light and underneath directional light and underneath spotlight, you'll see some different variants of the light. We have things like directional light toggleable, we have point light movable, point light toggleable. We also have spotlight movable and spotlight toggleable. You'll notice there's a dominant light as well, but we'll talk about that a little later. That's actually kind of a special case. All I want to talk about here are lights that can move and lights that can be toggled, because really that's what these are all about. For instance, if we grab a point light movable and add it into the level, we could take that light and move it around via Kismet or Matinee. We could just attach it to a rigid body and swing it around the level, and it would update dynamically. It would become a dynamic light that could move through our level instead of a static light. A toggleable light can be switched on and off via Kismet or any other source. We could actually switch it off with Matinee if we wanted to. Now let's close out the actor class's browser. I have two examples set up here. I have a spotlight that is toggleable. And you'll notice on its icon it's got a little chain hanging down like you could switch it off, just to show you. And then I have a point light movable. And it's got the little tiny lines coming off it just to suggest that it's supposed to move for you. Now let's take a look at these in the level. So here is our spotlight toggleable, and it's just switching itself on and off. If we jump into Kismet real quick, you can see how that's been done. Just on level loaded, we're hitting a toggle action, which is connected to the spotlight. As soon as it toggles, we delay for 0.5 seconds and wrap back around to toggle. So it's just going to do that over and over again. It's a nice way to create a blinking light. And we can stand under it and just engage in the blinking. Now, we have a light over here. This movable light has been attached to a K-actor, which is a dynamic object. So I can grab the physics gun, and I can move this around. And I can take this with me to light up a dark area if I wanted to. Now that's really all I wanted to do is show you those. The names pretty much tell you exactly what they're for. A toggleable light is something that you want to be able to switch on and off in a level, and a movable light is a light that you expect to be moving around your level. That's going to wrap things up for this video. Thanks a lot.